In our last video, we talked about 3D printing toys for parrots, and we showed you the toy that we printed for Trello. Let's see what he thinks of it. Hey everyone, so if you remember in our last video, we had made Trello a toy with two little beads that can move freely back and forth on a stick. And Trello didn't really get much of a chance to play with it because somehow a puppy got a hold of it and tore it to pieces. And I wonder if Trello had actually just knocked it on the floor and Puppy found it on the floor. So we're gonna see how Trello likes his new toy that we printed for him. Oh, yep, he's at least not afraid of it. That's a good thing. He's kind of a fraidy bird. He's afraid of most things new, but because the lighting over by his cage kind of sucks for a camera, we're just gonna come sit down and let him play with it. Whoa, sorry Trello. Here, get it. Get it. Not me. The toy. What are you doing? Dude, I like made you a toy and everything. I slaved and slaved for my robot slave to print you this 3D toy. Hey, look. What are you laughing at?
He's like playing peekaboo around the side of your head.
Yeah. Look. Oh.
Hello.
Oh my gosh. Bird.
Weirdo. IRB. Come on.
All right. Oh, sorry, Pepper. This is the puppy of which I spoke. Uh-huh.
I accept that big time.
All right, Trello. You with the peekaboos. Peekaboo. All right, here. Look. Well, get it. See, look. Look, Trello. Trello. Don't, Paige. Trello. Here.
It's going to be psst. Why are you looking at board?
Trello. Okay, look. Look. Look, see? Yep, see? Get it. Get it, Trello. Get it. That was more like an attack than an actual play.
Yeah.
Get it. Well, get it. Oh, you got it. You got it for a second. You just want to be on my hand. Okay. Like I said, at least he's not afraid of it.
Yep.
He'll grow into it. So I'm thinking, whoops, and of course I dropped his toy. I'll leave it right here for him. So I'm thinking next for 3D printing for the bird, he has this orange cone that he likes to play with. I didn't print this. It came with some other toy that the kids play with, but he likes to just kind of push it around, and it gives me an idea of a thing that I can make for him, a 3D printed cone but with like an opening that he can go inside, because he likes to go inside things. And he's been needing a new play top for a long time. A lot of that is just sawdust, not sawdust, but wood dust, because he's had this thing for years. He's been tearing it up and it's kind of fallen apart. I think it's about time to maybe design something new for him. Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you have an idea for a toy that can be 3D printed for Trello, leave me a comment, leave me a note, and let's see if we can make it happen. Until next time, keep it squeaky.